Unlock the power of transformation on Facebook. In this video, I'll guide you through the seamless process of converting your Facebook account into a page. Stick around till the end to avoid any hiccups. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Let's dive right in. First of all, open up your Facebook app. And join me on your profile by tapping profile icon. Here you can see my friends are showing. I have 32 friends here. Now, let me show you the magic of converting my Facebook account into a page. Tap on that button. And let's kick things off by selecting Turn on Professional Mode. Ready? Tap Turn On. And then hit Continue. Return to your profile and witness the transformation. My Facebook friends have now evolved into followers. That's it. I've successfully converted my Facebook account to a page. Master the art of Facebook metamorphosis with this step-by-step tutorial. If it helped you, show some love with a like and don't miss out on future tech revelations. Hit subscribe.